It is important to point out that a characteristic of some dominant genes is that they can have a different or variable expressions. This means that some people have milder or more intense characteristics than others. Another important characteristic of dominant genes is that in some cases they have reduced penetrance. It is important this term in genetics. This means that sometimes a person can have a dominant gene copy but not show any signs of the gene. The concept of reduced penetrance is very important in the case of autosomal dominant cancer, for example. In this case, we have susceptibility genes. If a person has, uh, I think that cancer is the most easy way to explain to you. If a person has inherited a cancer susceptibility gene, it does not mean they will automatically develop cancer. It simply means that the person has inherited a mutation in a gene that gives them a higher chance to develop cancer than someone without a mutation. For example, we have some conditions that involves autosomal dominant inheritance. For example, the Marfan syndrome, the Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, neurofibromatosis, or achondroplasia that is very common, and the inheritance is dominant. 50% could be carried out in our children, and the expression is very variable. Remember, and the penetrance or the concept of penetrance is particularly important in the case of this type of mutation, the dominant gene mutation.